No, there is.
This is where we're at, Clarissa Falls, between San Ignacio and Socots in Benque Viejo in the Cayo district. So I'm gonna order myself the stew beans and white rice and the rice and beans with no meat and no salad. Okay, I'm here with some friends so they can kind of like help me out and highlight what they're gonna get off the menu. But before that happens, I'll show you the alcoholic beverage side of the menu, and then we can proceed with the introduction of what's going on. Bear with me, I'm trying to figure out what type of alcohol I'm getting. It's a Zacapa. It's a Mexican alcohol, but I don't see it on the list. And I hope I have the pronunciation right. Rush J is gonna go with the Sere fish soup. And ladies and gentlemen, that's Rush J right there. The one and only, the infamous Rush J.
Most people think I am known.
Well, now you're gonna be internationally known.
Alright, bless up everybody. Stop pollute the place.
This is the owner.
Yeah. And this is the owner of the establishment right here. So whenever you're in the San Ignacio, well, far west Cayo district area, come check out them at Clarissa Falls. There you go. See, Cheerios, baby.
Alright.
Come on, you can't cheers and then not take a sip. Too late.
Mystery woman, don't put what?
All right.
Don't pollute the place.
Okay.
Keep the riverside clean.
All right.
Good, cause I'm the director.
Okay. And this is a Zacapa with orange juice.
Zapata, right?
Zacapa with orange juice.
And baklawata to this.
All right. Check that out. Restrooms are back there. That's the female, and then the men are off to the far left. That's the parking lot, and that's the main road entering the property. Okay. And this right here don't need no explanation if you're just patient and quiet. That's the mopan.
The green thing.
Because you know, that's international for TripAdvisor. The green.
That's right. Review us, TripAdvisor.
Okay.
They're on TripAdvisor.
They're on TripAdvisor as well.
Yeah, over here. This side.
That's
This side.
that's that. Yeah, better video with the TripAdvisor thing.
Awards there.
Okay.
Awards and all that.
Okay. There you go. See?
Up the top, see winner TripAdvisor, of course.
Yeah, video everything.
Oh my, I bet that's like what's up there. So let me ask you the real Negro, that's the one he was saying that you did last time has the chicken in it? Yes. And then a meatball stuff.
And they accept those as well.
Boiled egg inside. And a meatball, which is a beef meatball. It has a red pancake inside. And it has onions and peppers, tomatoes and coriander. And it's spicy. Would you like some of the rice at all? If you like to cook rice. Take it out.
And there's an amazing thatch roof. This is a stairwell that leads to heaven. After you enjoy your delicious meal, you can come down here with a few cold beverages and experience a slice of heaven. That's her son right there, Mark, and that's my ex-classmate from St. Andrews Elementary, by the way. Don't be a little bug. If you come down and you bring trash with you, take it up, please. And they have cabins or casitas for rent as well. And they also stated that all this got flooded out last year when the mopan got flooded out. Cozy hammock to relax, enjoy a book, and a tasty beverage. There's another one over there that you can just immerse yourself in Mother Nature and lose yourself and reconnect to the land. You can see the parking lot is over here and the restaurant is over there, and then just to the right of that, the mopan. And this is the famous blackberry tree. We had one of these in our yard when I was a kid, and that was like way before I turned 11 years old. But it's known to be tasty and yummy by itself, but you can make amazing blackberry wine out of it as well. And this is the establishment. Unfortunately, this angle right here is bad because the sun is setting to the west. And that's the entrance to the establishment, and we'll come to that later. This is the appetizer right here, and I missed the name of it. What's the name of this?
Chips and salsa.
Chips and salsa. Okay,
And
there you
you
go.
go with homemade hot sauce,
There you
Clarissa
go.
Falls.
Ooh, see? Awesome sauce, baby. Everything is special right here. Just come on out and check them out. This is what I ordered. The stew beans and rice and rice and beans. The snapshot of it right now is the rice and beans. It don't come with the salad, okay?
Oh my God,
It's just
this.
this right there. Same as here as well. The fries, deep fried plantain, ripe plantain, and the salad is separate. And then you have the relleno
Negro.
white rice, negro. And then you have
Sere.
and there you go. It's real delicious, yummy. And then you have the zapata. And this is a zapata with orange juice.
Right.
I may be getting the pronunciation wrong, but forget about it.